Hello, my name is Stephen Imainati and welcome to this CSS tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be talking about CSS Combinators. And before that, let's look at what we have in my code over here. I have my header and then I also have my article. Inside the article, we have each one a paragraph, an unordered list, and then another paragraph. And outside the article, we have uh, two paragraph text right here, and then beneath it, we have our footer. Now, when we render this page, this is what we get. We have our header at the top left corner. We have our article, which includes each one, a paragraph, an unordered list, and then the last paragraph. And then outside the article, we have two paragraph text, and then beneath it, that is our footer right there. Now, what we want to do is to give styles to this HTML page, and we are doing that with combinators. Now, there are four types of combinators. Number one, the descendant combinator. Number two, the direct child combinator. Number three, the adjacent sibling. And then number four, all siblings. Let's start with the descendant combinator. The descendant combinator says that we should select all elements that is being nested in another element. So let's take the P element like this. That is that, and let's also take this P elements like that. So we are selecting all P elements that is being nested in the article element. So this is one P element that is inside the article element. This is another P element that is nested inside the article element. Now this is also another P element that is nested inside the article element. Mind you, this is the whole article element, and we can see all of the P elements in them. So we are selecting all P elements that is inside the article. So we'll begin with declaring the article. So we'll say article, then we'll leave a space. And then since we are targeting P element, then write our P. Then that is that. This is how we declare a descendant combinator. And this is read as all P elements that is inside an article. Let's give this a background color of, let's say, red. So realize that we have three P elements that is being given a background color of red. The next combinator we'll talk about is the direct child combinator. So back to our HTML code. Now, the same P elements. Let's find the ones that are direct children of the article. So this P element right here is a direct child of the article. Now, sorry, this P element right here also is a direct child of the article. Now you are wondering why I did not select this P element. This P element is not a direct child of the article. This P element is nested in another element. Okay, so for us to be able to get to this P element, we have to go through this UL on ordered list and then go through this LI before we'll be able to get to the P element. And that is not a direct child. Okay, we only want direct children of it. Yeah, we don't want grandchildren, we only want direct children of it. So let's go back to our CSS file and then let's declare our article again. So article, now the symbol for direct child is greater than symbol, so greater than symbol, then P, right? Then let's give it a background color of, let's say, blue, right? So blue, and let's say a color, of, let's say, white. So now you can see it proper. So this blue text color for the p element indicates that they are direct children of the article. Thank you. The next one we want to talk about is the adjacent sibling. So back to our HTML code. We really want adjacent siblings that are near the article element. So these are article elements again. This is it. And we really want siblings that are near. P siblings, paragraph siblings that are near the article. And this is one, right? This is my neighbor, all right? Oh, I don't know why I cannot select it. This is my neighbor, right? This is near the article element. Now you are wondering why I did not select this. This is not near the article. Okay, yes. That we want P element that is very near to the article, and that is what we selected. And so you'll be wondering, what if I select this, copy it, and put it just above the article element? Now, what we've done right here won't be selected when we try to give it a style. This is because the browser reads the code from the top to the bottom, and it gets to the P element before the article. So when you declare such thing like this and you want to use an adjacent sibling, it will not work. It only works for elements that are beneath them. So we'll remove this like this, or we'll still keep it there. Okay, and then let's try in our code and see. So back to our code, let's give it an, let's say, article, right? And then the symbol for adjacent sibling is plus symbol. So plus P, right? Let's give it a background color. Oh, background color of, let's say, pink. Now you see that it only selected one P element that is beneath it. Meanwhile, we have a P element that is above it. It is also near. So why didn't it select it? And that is what I've explained already. So that is that. The next one we'll be talking about all sibling combinator. And let's select, back to our HTML code, let's select all P elements that are siblings of the article. So again, this is the article. Now let's identify all P elements that are siblings of the article. And these are they. This they are. Yeah. This. They are all P elements that are what? Siblings of the article. Let's give it a star, a background color. Okay. So article, let's see, article. Now the symbol for getting all siblings of a particular element is the tilde symbol. Tilde symbol. So let's say you are targeting P element. So P element. Let's give it a background color of, let's say, dark. Now they are dark. Let's give it a color of, let's say, white. So that is that. In summary, let's go over what we've discussed. We talk about the descendant combinator, and we said for the descendant combinator, you leave a space between them. And this descendant combinator, oh, this one, this descendant combinator is being read as all P elements that are descendant of the article. So they are nested in the article. Okay. Now let's talk about a direct child combinator. This one is being read as all P elements that are direct children of the article. And we made mention that the direct child combinator, the symbol is greater than. Okay. And then the next one is adjacent sibling. So after getting the adjacent sibling, right? Then we say the symbol for adjacent sibling is plus. Okay, and this code is being read as all P elements, right? That are adjacent sibling of article, or you can say P elements that is adjacent sibling of the article. So the last one is all siblings, and the symbol for it is tilde symbol. So and it's being read as all P elements that are siblings. They're not adjacent, they're not near, but they are just siblings, okay, of the article. That is that. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.